Hi everybody, this is Thomas Wood with Microquant, and today we're going to be taking a look at the soybean market, a soybean futures market I should say. We have a couple different things I'm watching for to happen here. Right now I'm short soybeans. We had the crop report today. You can see the volatility that it created from that report. But what I'm watching for to happen is for soybeans to start heading lower. And the reason I say that is we have a daily bearish divergence where we have higher prices with a lower high histogram and indicator line on our MQ momentum. And then we also had this trend line that we came up and ran right into today, right before the crop report, and then have reversed and sold off from throughout the afternoon. Now the last thing I want to watch for is for how this bar ends up closing today. Now if we can get this bar to close in a doji pattern, it would be what we call a yellow hat doji. So we want to see the close right next to the open, or very close to being right next to the open at the end of trading today. If that happens, we'd have a yellow hat doji, and then we'd be looking for this market to turn around and start heading lower. Now you have a couple different options for where this market's going to stop. First, you're going to have a trend line come up across these lows here, which would have it, if it hits it tomorrow, would be down around 1328. The next option, if it breaks through that trend line, you will have another trend line coming across these lows here. If it hits that, that's going to be down around 1302. And then again, lastly, if we break down, there's a longer term trend line down around 1283 that I'm looking for it to go to if it breaks through the other two trend lines. So we'll see what kind of reaction we get tomorrow and the rest of the week in soybeans, but I'm looking for it to start heading lower. That's all I have for today. Hope it helps. And until next time, happy trading and God bless.